Maxim 77. He may freely warn that neither fears to lose his life, nor hopes for gold. Pour either gold at the feet of a monotheist, or place an Indian saber to his head. He entertains no hope nor fear from anyone, and this is a sufficient basis of monotheism. And one of the things I saw an interview on a TV show, and the person was saying, well, you're bound by your societal commitments and relationships and all this other stuff. All people are capable of whatever, but, you know, but they just think it's unthinkable, the risks it poses to their life to do certain things. And other people are like, well, my life isn't dependent on that sort of this thing or the other, so, you know.